Welcome to our channel Bright Maths. Geometric progression. The general form of geometric progression is a, ar, ar square, etc., where a is the first term and r is the ratio. This ratio r is equal to t2 divided by t1. That is second term divided by first term. The nth term of a GP is Tn equal to AR power n minus 1. Now let us see the problems. Write the first three terms of the GP whose first term and the common ratio are given below. The first subdivision, A value, R value given. A equal to 6, R equal to 3. We know the GP is A, AR, AR square, etc. Just substitute the values and write the answer. So this implies 6, 6 into 3, 6 into 3 square, etc. So this implies 6, 6 into 3, 18, 6 into 3 square is 9. 6 nines are 54, etc. And this is the answer. Similarly, second subdivision, A value, R value given. A equal to root 2, R equal to root 2. We have to find the GP. So the GP is A, AR, AR square, etc. Substitute the values. So this implies root 2, root 2 into root 2, root 2 into root 2 square, etc. So this implies root 2, root 2 into root 2 is 2, root 2 square is 2 into root 2. So we get 2 root 2, etc. So therefore the answer is root 2, 2, 2 root 2, etc. Next problem, find the number of terms in the following GP: 4, 8, 16, etc., 8192. Here we have to find the value of n, number of terms. Here the first term A equal to 4 and the ratio R equal to second term divided by first term, that is 8 divided by 4, which is equal to 2. Here the nth term is given. So the nth term Tn equal to 8192. We know that Tn formula AR power n minus 1, that is equal to 8192. We have to simplify this and we have to find the value of n. Here substitute A value 4 into R value 2 power n minus 1 equal to right hand side 8192. This 4 take right side and divide, we get 2048. And this number we have to write it as 2 power any number, because left side we have 2 power n minus 1. Since left hand side is 2 power, we have to write this right hand side also 2 power. Then only we can equate both sides. And this we can write 2 power 11, because we know that 2 power 5 is 32. And so 2 power 10 is equal to 32 into 32, that is 1024. Next, just multiply by 2, we get 2 power 11 equal to 2048. So this right hand side can be taken as 2 power 11. Now both sides we have 2 power. So equating the power, we get n minus 1 equal to 11. Now this minus 1 take right side and add. We get n equal to 11 plus 1, 12. So the value of n is 12. Therefore the number of terms is 12. Next problem. In a GP, the ninth term is 32,805 and the sixth term is 1,215. Find the 12th term. Given ninth term is 32,805. Ninth term means AR power 8. So this is using the formula AR power n minus 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. So we take it as AR power 8 equal to 32805. Take it as equation 1. Next, given sixth term is 1215. This sixth term is AR power 5. AR power 6 minus 1, that is 5, equal to 1215. Take it as equation 2. Now we have to solve 1 and 2. For solving, we take 1 divided by 2. So if we take 1 divided by 2, left side AR power 8 divided by AR power 5 equal to right side 32,805 divided by 1,215. Now left side we can cancel A and we can cancel R 5 times. So we get remaining 3 times. Right hand side we cancel by 9. We get 3645 divided by 135. Again we can cancel by 9. So we get 405 divided by 15. And again we can cancel by 15. So 27 times. Left side R cube equal to right side 27. This implies R equal to 3 because 3 cube only 27. Now substitute this R value in equation 2. That is A into R value 3 power 5 equal to 1,215. 3 power 5 is 243. Therefore A equal to, we get 1,215 divided by 243. This we cancel by 9. So we get 135 divided by 27. Again we cancel by 9. We get 15 divided by 3. 15 by 3 is 5. Therefore A value is 5. Finally we have to find the 12th term. Therefore the 12th term is AR power n minus 1. 12 minus 1, that is 11. Substitute the values. A value 5 into R value 3 power 11. Therefore the answer is 5 into 3 power 11. Thanks for watching.